In the past 90 days, 3 people saw their lives change dramatically after investing in Bitcoin. Over $13,837.45 cleared in their checking account just 24 hours after they signed up for my beta test online. And guess what? The fact that you see this page means it's your turn to join the Bitcoin code. Because I'm opening up the same beta test for you right now.
You know, just like everybody else, I had heard that people were making money from Bitcoin. But you know, buying Bitcoin just seemed like a long and complicated process. When I saw Steve's video, however, I was thrilled to see that I could actually make money off of trading Bitcoin. And just as promised, I made an incredible amount of money in just 24 hours. It was so quick. That was with only a starting investment. It was like $250. So now I'm proud to say I am on my way to becoming a millionaire.
I was selected for Steve's beta test, and man, am I so glad I joined the Bitcoin code. I've been using the software for 37 days now, and I've already made over $400,000. I paid my son's college education off, I paid off my mortgage, and I was able to quit the job I've hated for years and years and just ride the Bitcoin surge.
Steve made me a believer. I had a bunch of other stocks, gold, GICs, you name it, I had it. But take my word for it, there is no other investment opportunity available today that can provide you with the staggering returns like Bitcoin can. Steve's system made me $784,832.77 in just a little over 2 months. Well, that's more than my entire investment portfolio earned me in the past 2 decades. All I had to do was invest a measly $250. Well, that's pennies in comparison to what I've earned. I'll be a millionaire for the first time in my life in the next 30 days.
Let me ask you a question. Have you ever wondered how wealthy you would be if you were an early investor of Uber, Facebook, Apple, Airbnb, or Google? Uber makes early investors rich, CNBC.com. Investing, the charmed life of Apple's early shareholders. Status update, I'm rich, Facebook flotation to create 1,000 millionaires among companies rank and file. You can finally stop wondering and quit beating yourself up for being late to the feast. Because Bitcoin is the new $1 million opportunity on the horizon. One that has been surrounded by extreme controversy. The same kind of controversy that once surrounded the likes of Uber, Google, Amazon, and Airbnb. Yet the lucky few who ignored the controversy laughed their way all the way to the bank. Now it's your turn to turn back the clock and become a millionaire investor in Bitcoin. Thousands of people around the world have quietly made millions after investing in Bitcoin. And now there's a new wave of future millionaires who choose to invest in Bitcoin right now. So listen up, because in the next 3 minutes, I'm going to reveal how you can make $550 just 1 hour from now and every hour after that. Do the math. That's $13,200 in your bank account just 24 hours from now. And you get to start today for free. That's right, free. So hurl your credit card across the room, put away your debit card, and close your PayPal account. I have nothing to sell you. Do you see an Add to Cart button on this page? I don't think so. But before I drop the bombshell on this life-changing investment opportunity, I want to be open and transparent with you. There is something in this for both of us. Before I tell you what it is, allow me to introduce myself. Hi, my name is Steve McKay. I'm a software developer turned investor, turned millionaire maker. You may have seen me on the Wall Street Journal, CNN, and Forbes. They call me the $100 million man. Here's how it all started. Just 3 years ago, I knew nothing about investing. I was just another mid-level software developer working for a large firm on Wall Street. One day, my boss came to my desk and asked me to work on a brand new software. A software that would allow his wealthy clients to trade Bitcoin without ever having to actually buy Bitcoins. He told me the project was a private request from the big guys up top. So I did what he asked and never mentioned a word of the project to anyone. For 1 full year, I worked on the top secret software day and night. 2 days after it went live, something mysterious happened. I got a call from a blocked number. It was my boss. He left town and told me to never speak of the software to anyone. Turns out, he never intended to share the software with his clients. He tricked me into creating his very own personal ATM machine. There I was, left with this powerful software that nobody knew about. So I did what anyone else would do. I tried it for myself. I started with an initial investment of just $250. After just 1 hour, I made $550. Then I made another $550 the next hour, and so on. Every hour, the money kept flooding into my bank account. In just 24 hours, I made over $13,000. And in 90 days, I was a millionaire for the first time in my life. I never set out to be a millionaire. But if I can do it, anyone can make an excess of $13,000 in just 24 hours. That's why I want to give back and share the software I created with 25 people. It's my dream to create 25 new millionaires, regular, hardworking people like you. But if you're anything like I was, then it's hard to believe that you can earn more than $13,000 in 24 hours. So I'm going to show you the money-making capabilities live. First, I'm going to open up a new account with the software. This is the same software you're going to receive at the end of this video. Now, I'm making my deposit of $250 so you can see how even someone with a small budget can make over $13,000 in 24 hours. Let's click on Auto Trade now to let the software trade the Bitcoin market hands-free. I'm going to leave the software on Auto Trade and we can check the balance again later on. As we wait, let me remind you that within the next 48 hours, I'm going to speak to 25 more people to give them the opportunity to join me. Each of these people are guaranteed to have over $13,000 in their accounts within the next 24 hours, and that's all after just 3 simple clicks. As I mentioned, this software really does run on autopilot. In case you're wondering, everything we do is 100% legal and 100% ethical. I have absolutely nothing to sell you today. What I'm looking for is a few long-term clients like you. Our members are cashing in from all over the world, all by activating the account you're about to do right now. Okay, so here we are again. It's been 3 minutes. And as you can see, we've only been gone for a few minutes and the balance has already ballooned to $360. That's a $110.43 profit in under 3 minutes. So let's come back in 24 hours so you can see the life-changing profits you can make with your very own eyes. All right, we're back, and in the past 24 hours, the balance climbed to insane heights. We're at a staggering $14,830.44. Let's click here to look at the trade history. As you can see, the trades were almost all wins. There were only 3 losses. That's why it's called the world's most consistent trading software. It trades at an unheard of 99.4% accuracy, which means it's virtually impossible to lose. Time is running out, so I won't keep you much longer. So let me explain very carefully what you need to do next. All you need to do to get started right now is to fill out the information on this page. Our team will take care of things from there. We work for you. Now, are you ready to make $13,000 each and every single day? $13,000 is a lot of money, and some people can't handle it. But if you're ready to have $13,000 landing in your checking account each and every single morning, then fill out your information on this page. And take a moment to think about how you're going to feel when you'll wake up with over $13,000 in your checking account tomorrow morning. You're just moments away from being able to get any luxury you've ever wanted. You can go on endless exotic vacations, get tech gadgets, get designer clothes, fly your friends around on jets. Heck, you can even buy your best friend a house. Whatever it is your heart desires, it will soon be yours. All you have to do is fill out your information on this page, and you can get instant access to my life-changing software. We will walk you through step by step exactly which buttons you need to click to kickstart your profits. Fill out the information on this page. Don't delay. Or worse, don't think it over. You have absolutely nothing to lose. Watch the profits start flooding into your account and enter your information on this page. I'll see you inside.